Hello and welcome back. I am Stryker. I am going to teach you about 5 phrases for an apologizing and how to respond to an apology. Remember to leave a like and subscribe for upcoming video. Salut tout le monde, bienvenue. Moi c'est Stryker, comme vous connaissez déjà. Moi pour enseigner aujourd'hui 5 façons ou capable demander une excuse ou 5 façons pour une excuse et comment ou capable répondre avec moun ça qui mando excuse là. Pas oublier toujours like vidéo nous, yes fait ça cool mais avant de parler ça vraiment fait nous content, ça fait nous plaisir. Les ou like vidéo nous. Yeah, like et puis abonner pour prochaine vidéo pour pas rater. Okay? I'm coming back. Hey guys, I'm back to you. Today, you are going to learn 5 phrases for an apologizing. This word pronouncing apologizing. Apologizing. Il dit excuse. Je vais vous apprendre 5 façons comment vous demander une excuse. Et vous allez apprendre tout comment moun sa kwa demander une excuse là, comment vous allez répondre, l'elle fait utiliser une phrase ça yo. Ok? Abonnez pour pas rater pièce vidéo. Option yo pour faire ça. Yes. Good job. Now, let's get the ball rolling. Première phrase là, c'est I'm sorry that. I'm sorry that. I'm sorry that. And say I was so rude yesterday. I'm sorry that I was so rude yesterday. Rude. I was so rude yesterday. I'm sorry that I was so rude yesterday. Vraiment désolé. Moi t'ai si grossier hier. Là, moi I am sorry that I was so rude yesterday. Moi t'ai vraiment grossier hier. Désolé. I am sorry that I was so rude yesterday. Now, thirdly is deuxièmement, c'est it's my fault. It's my fault. Là, je prends responsabilité du problème ça. I'm taking the responsibility for the problem. I'm taking the responsibility for the problem. Là, me dit it's my fault. Ah, ça c'est faute pas. Là, on prend responsabilité des problèmes ça. It's my fault. And I'm taking responsibility for the problem. This word pronouncing as responsibility for the problem. Thirdly is, you can say, oops, sorry. Oops, sorry. We use this for very small problems. For very small problems. After that, I should have called you and told you I'd be late. When I say if I don't want to say I can say I would or I would be late. I would be late. Now this is the contractions for I would. I don't say I would here, I say I'd be late. I'd be late. Là, ma manière excuse pour yon retard. I should have told you. I should have called you and told you I'd be late. Là, ma demandé yon excuse pour yon retard. Restez là. Parlez pour aller comment vous capable de répondre. Les gens demandent une excuse pour ça. Ok? I should have called. I don't say. I usually hear some people pronouncing this word as or this verb as called. When the verb is in the past tense, they usually pronounce it as called. No, it's not called. It's not called. It's called. called, called you, and told you I'd be late. Most ça va prononcer comme calling. No, it's cold, cold. I should have called you and told you I'd be late. Ok, là, m'a demandé excuse pour priorité. Dernière façon, le formel, the last way is formal. The formel, I can say, I apologize. This word pronounced as apologize. Now we have apologize and apologizing. I apologize you for the delay. Maybe you can ask and apologize for another thing, but I don't know. Moi-même, moi demandé excuse pour retard. I apologize you for the delay. The delay means the delay. It's a delay. Excuse me. The delay. The delay. I apologize you for the delay. Okay? Delay. Pour retard. Dans cette cinq façons, vous capable demander your excuse. I'm sorry that I was so rude yesterday. It's my fault. When I say it's my fault, I'm taking responsibility for the problem. Oops, sorry for very small problem. Oui, un petit problème. T'as pas besoin de petit problème. Vraiment bien. Oops, sorry. After, I can say I should have called you and told you I'd be late. Là, t'as demandé excuse pour Youn. Dernière façon de formel, on va dire I apologize you for the delay. Moi excusez-vous pour retard. Ok, restez là à déplacer. Bah nous pour 5 façons comment on est capable de répondre les moun mando your excuse. Okay, this is the 5 ways to respond to an apologize. Ça c'est 5 façons on est capable de répondre de your excuse. Les moun mando your excuse. On est capable d'utiliser 5 façons ça pour recevoir moun ça. Ok? Si par exemple, je fais un bagay, je dis oh, it's my fault. Ça c'est faute pas. Ou même on est capable de dire ok, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. If I say or it's my fault, you can say that's okay. Or it happens. It happens. It happens. It happens. It happens. Okay? C'est arrivé. It happens. After, troisièmement, no problem. No problem. You can say or I'm sorry. Or if I say to you, I should have called you and told you I'd be late. Mando isso I say okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. Quatrièmement, on capable dire don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Okay? After, if I say, or it's my fault, now I'm taking the responsibility for the problem. You can say, I forgive you. I forgive you for serious problem. Capability de dizer, okay, I forgive you. I forgive you. We use this for serious problems. Okay? I forgive you. Alright, I forgive you. Ça c'est 5 façons on capable de répondre de your excuse. That's okay. No problem. It happens. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. After the last one is I forgive you. We use this for serious problem. C'est ça pour un problème qui est très sérieux ou un gros problème. C'est tout ça avec pour aujourd'hui. I can say that's all for today. Je dis à vous d'apprendre 5 phrases pour demander une excuse ou d'apprendre 5 façons capable de répondre de une excuse aussi. Je pense que vous like vidéo sur votre professeur et abonnez avec Chanèl là si vous abonnez. I love you and I think that you love me. Also, memorize this video. Please subscribe.